Agza Capture.
Yellowstone Landscape's Greater Chicago branches are on track to achieve Agza Service Pro certification. Our team recently partnered with Russo's Power Equipment to lead certification training for Yellowstone's crew managers, starting with the American Green Zone Alliance online primer course, followed by classroom and hands-on field sessions. Jonathan Schwantz, Yellowstone's optimization manager, helped coordinate the day and continues to lead efforts to professionalize crews as the company transitions from gas to battery electric operations. Next, the American Green Zone Alliance team will independently verify Yellowstone's electric crews and announce that the company is ready to deliver quieter, cleaner, and low-impact landscape services under the Agza Service Pro Seal. Special thanks to Dino Castino of Russo's Power Equipment for providing steel and mean green mowers equipment and supporting the battery electric field training.
Agza Capture.